Welcome, nail enthusiasts, to our colorful corner of creativity. Today, we're delving deep into the enchanting realm of spring nails, where every stroke of polish brings a burst of fresh energy and vibrant joy. As the earth awakens from its wintry slumber, so too does our desire for a manicure makeover that mirrors the beauty of nature's renewal. Spring is the season of growth, of blossoming flowers, and of endless possibilities, and what better way to celebrate than with a dazzling array of nail art. Picture this, your fingertips adorned with delicate petals in soft pastel shades, reminiscent of a blossoming garden in full bloom. Or perhaps you're drawn to the playful charm of polka dots and stripes, evoking the carefree spirit of a sunny spring day. From classic French tips to intricate floral designs, the canvas of your nails is yours to paint, sculpt, and adorn as you please. Let your imagination take flight as you experiment with textures, finishes, and colors that capture the essence of the season. But spring nail art isn't just about aesthetics, it's a celebration of self-expression, a canvas upon which you can reflect your unique personality and style. Whether you're a minimalist at heart or a bold trendsetter, there's a design out there waiting to speak to your inner artist. So join us as we embark on a journey of nail inspiration, where every swipe of polish is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your own creation. From intricate designs to simple elegance, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you nail the perfect look for spring. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow nail aficionados, and subscribe to stay tuned for more beauty insights and inspiration. Together, let's paint the world with the colors of spring and celebrate the artistry of nail design.